Hi guys, here is how you can record video on an iPhone with your screen off. Now to do that, first go to the settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Scroll again and tap on guided access. Turn this on. Also make sure to turn this accessibility shortcut on. Go back, then go to accessibility shortcut, scroll down and then turn on voiceover. Now go to the home page, triple click on the side power off button and turn on the voiceover. You'll also hear the voice.
Voiceover on, calendar, Wednesday the 25th of June. Double tap to open.
If you see any other notifications, please allow it. Now lower the volume to 0. Now if you triple tap on the phone screen, it will be off. And again triple tap to bring the screen back. Please note, this only works when voiceover is enabled. Anyway, now turn on the voiceover, make sure your volume is 0, triple click on the power off button and double tap the voiceover. And open camera, switch the video, triple click the power off button and turn on voiceover. Now the camera is working. You can start recording with up or down volume button. So it is recording. Now triple tap on the screen and the screen is off, but the recording still works. If you triple tap again, the screen is on and you will see it is still recording. You can simply click on the volume to stop the recording. Thank you very much.